to my channel. It's Miss Clearance here, also known as Crystal, of course. We have Alana here.
Hi guys.
We have Gianna here.
Hi guys.
And Lily's not with us right now. She's actually in the living room with my mom and my aunt. So once again, if you hear any noise in the background, that is the reason why. I'm not at my house once again. I'm at my mom's house because there's a beautiful window. Always gives such beautiful lighting, as you can see. We're here for another unboxing or unbagging, however you want to call it. But this time we have Wishables. They're Nemo themed. So we got these at the Disney Character Warehouse. They finally came in. I've heard about them plenty of times from a lot of people, but I've also seen them at the parks, but they only had the Nemo ones in at the Disney Character Warehouse. I am not 100% sure how much these retail for. If I do find the price, I'll put it on the screen somewhere here, but we did get them for $1.99 at the warehouse. Now you can only get 4 different options here, as you can see. You can either get Dory, Bruce, I forgot his name, sorry, the Nemo Submarine, or Darla. So these are the 4 options.
She's cute.
She is cute because she's in a little scuba gear. But I only got 4 packages since there's only 4 options. I'm pretty sure we're gonna get doubles. Another thing we did pick up at the warehouse was Nemo. He's so cute. Let me, because of lighting here, but we got Nemo. He got cute little stars. What I heard is that all the Wishables do come with stars in their eyes, but we have Nemo with his little fin here, so cute. He was also $1.99 at the warehouse. So once again, if I know or find out how much these do retail regularly at the parks, I will put the pricing on the screen somewhere here. Got Nemo for Gianna. She loves, she loves Dory and Nemo. But he doesn't come in the packets. He's separate, so he is not sold within these blind bags. So that's why sorry, Nemo. That's why I bought Nemo separately. And for $1.99, why not, right?
Yeah.
She loves her Nemo. Please.
She dropped it.
She dropped it too. Super excited. I have been, not gonna lie, I have been feeling some of these. 2 of them feel like bigger sizes while the other 2 feel like smaller sizes. So I'm kind of scared, to be honest with you. I mean, I'm hoping we get them all, but if I could pick the 2 I really want.
Darla. Okay, you go first.
I was gonna say Dory. If I had to pick 2 that I really wanted from these packs, I would pick Dory and Darla. Darla just looks super cute in her little scuba gear, to be honest with you.
Okay.
And who would you pick?
I agree with you. I want to do Dory and Darla.
Okay, so let's see if we get. And look, she has her braces. How cute is that?
She's so
in the picture.
Cute. She has little freckles.
Okay, so ready to open the first pack?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
3.
I think it's Bruce. Yep.
Yeah, it's Bruce.
We got Bruce.
I mean, he's not that bad.
He's cute. He has rosy cheeks too, just like Nemo does. So we got Bruce. Let me see if anything else comes in this pack. Nope. That's all you get. You just get the pack with the Wishable. So we got a Bruce. Yay! I have a feeling we might get a double of Bruce.
It's okay.
I'm having a feeling. Next one, Alana's gonna open it for us.
So we have this packet. I don't know.
There you go. Don't look in it. Just grab.
I think it's Bruce.
Yeah.
It's Bruce.
It's Bruce. So we got. I figured we were gonna be getting doubles, but we got another Bruce.
It's okay.
Next pack.
Oh gosh, oh god.
Bruce! 3 Bruces.
I swear, this is Bruce.
I'm gonna be so mad.
The
We got 4 Bruces. We got a family of Bruces. So, if anybody wants a Bruce and wants to trade, feel free to reach out to us. I mean, they were just $1.99. It's not like with the Legos where I paid $4 for the Lego ones individually. But we got 4 Bruces, so a family of Bruces. Where's my 4th Bruce? I was hoping for Darla, but it's okay. My super short video. Thank you so much for watching. We got 4 Bruces. 4 Bruces! It's raining Bruces. Oh. Thank you so much for watching. If you're not subscribed, please click that subscribe button below. And also hit that like button if you enjoyed this video, as well as
hit the notification bell to always get notified to her next video.
Yep, so you're notified when my next video comes out. But until then, guys, remember, there's always beauty in saving. Bye!